back to Weather Bali Top Tours. Today we are coming to brand new Toyota Avanza, all new cars. What we are going to do today is I am going to unboxing to this car. As you can see behind of me, left is my left hand white color and another one is silver color. This car is 1500cc, which is 7 seaters. That's a brand new of Toyota. Okay, let's go and check here coming. So this is the one is one of the brand new of the Toyota Avanza. It has 7 seaters on this one, 1500cc on this one. Alright, coming and go and check right inside here. Everything on this car is changed from the previous car, which is all the head units, all the steerings and the transmissions will be lit. This one is using wheels. It means will be moving from in the front. Okay, so this is the one is still like a really brand new, just arrived today on the 4th of August 2022. Yep, that's what I can say of this car. And let's go and check outside. Okay, now we are going to double check what we got the bonus once we get this car. Firstly, this is all the toolkits that for the cleaning, all inside right here for the tools like cleaning, the black magic, whatever, the washing, detergent, whatever they are inside here, all in one package. And then next, as always, the Toyota give the wallet or the bag. Not sure how to open it. Okay, let's go and check. Here we go. Here is the bag that we got from the Toyota. And next, what we got here is umbrella. So we got an umbrella here. So you got one umbrella, one bag, all toolkits right there. And for sure, this is for the safety. Got one safety right here. Once you get got stuck the car, so just putting this one at the back of the car. Go and check the others. So now I'm going to get into the cabin of this new car. Got the 2 keys right here, and now let's go and check the feature of this car. Let's go. Alright, now I am here at the cabin of the car itself. So I'm going to on the engine first. So you can put the key anywhere you want. Put it right here. What you have to do is to first press or push the clutch before engine start. Okay. Now start the engine. Ooh, that's very good. So that's very hot. I'm going to turn on the aircon first. So all the system are right here is really digitals right here. All the aircons, all the head units and the speedometers. And this is really good info from the Toyota. Right. So this is the one is manuals. Transmissions. So as always, the transmissions this is the one. Hello, welcome back to With the Bali Top Tours. This is the unboxings of two brand new cars of Avanza. Thank you so much for always support With the Bali Top Tours. If you guys looking transportations or tours activities in Bali, don't be hesitate to contact here on WhatsApp, and here is on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comments this video if you like it. Whatever that your comments, I really appreciate. Thank you so much for support us with the Bali Top Tours, and stay camera. Yeah.